U.S. Representative Ritchie Torres is handing out at-home test kits in the Bronx. News 12's Alexa Farrell was at the event in Tremont, and she spoke with the representative.
Representative Ritchie Torres says getting tests into the hands of New Yorkers is important, especially within this community, because the cost of at-home tests continues to rise. Waiting in long lines becomes more and more difficult for many New Yorkers who want to know whether or not they have the coronavirus. Representative Torres handing out over 1,000 test kits in the playground attached to the Dennis Lane apartments. He says this community needs the free kits because at-home testing kits have become increasingly unavailable, especially in these hard-hit communities. The donation was made through a private company giving these kits away for free. Torres also notes that the pandemic, despite efforts to improve, continues to affect Bronx families and low-income communities the most.
Even though the pandemic affects all of us, it affects us unevenly. It has had a disproportionately more destructive and deadlier impact on the South Bronx. We've lost more than 7,000 residents in the Bronx from COVID-19, which was larger than the combined death toll of Pearl Harbor and 9/11.
And Representative Torres says he continues to advocate for these communities, most recently by asking FEMA to provide $1 billion in funding to NYC Test and Trace and NYC Health and Hospitals for their efforts through the pandemic.
You know, the response to COVID-19 has cost health and hospitals hundreds of millions of dollars. And so the infusion of $1 billion from the federal government is going to stabilize what is the most important safety net of healthcare we have in New York City.
Representative Torres says he will be passing out more testing kits within the communities that he serves. In Tremont, Alexa Farrell, News 12.